Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial we will simulate single-stage common-emitter BJT amplifier using Kicad 10.0. For more such video request you to subscribe to my channel. In this design we require following components. 2N3904 transistor, this is the heart of the circuit. It has 3 terminals: base, input; collector, output; emitter, reference. In Kicad 10.0 we need to select the appropriate transistor model, which is 2N3904. Next, in choose symbol, search for resistor. In this design we will use collector resistor, 2.2 kilo-ohm. Located between VCC and collector. The function of collector resistor. Limits collector current. Converts collector current changes into voltage changes. The function of emitter resistor, 470 ohm. Connected between emitter and ground. The emitter resistor. Stabilizes transistor operation. Prevents excessive collector current. Improves temperature stability. The resistor R1, which is 47 kilo-ohm. Connected from 5-volt supply to base. Supplies DC current to the base. The resistor R2, which is 10 kilo-ohm. Connected from base to ground. Works with resistor R1 to create a voltage divider. This keeps the transistor in the active region. The capacitor CE, emitter bypass capacitor, which is 10 microfarad. Connected across RE resistor. This capacitor functions as an open circuit for DC. The capacitor Cout, output coupling capacitor, which is 10 microfarad. Connected between collector and output. This capacitor blocks DC collector voltage. Passes only the amplified AC signal. The capacitor C1, input coupling capacitor, which is around 1 microfarad. Is placed between input sine voltage and the base. This capacitor C1 blocks DC. Passes AC signal. The resistor Rin, which is around 4.7 kilo-ohm, limits current entering the base. And protects the transistor. Now change the value of the resistor and capacitor. Resistor R1 is 47 kilo-ohm. Resistor R2 is 10 kilo-ohm. Resistor R_C1 is 22 kilo-ohm. Resistor R_E1 is 470 ohm. Resistor R_N1 is around 4.7 kilo-ohm. Capacitor C_N1 is 1 microfarad. Capacitor C_E1 is around 10 microfarad. Capacitor C_Out1 is around 10 microfarad. From the chose symbol, search for V sign. This will be the input source to the single-stage common-emitter BJT amplifier. Make all the relevant connects, which is shown in this tutorial. Define all the global labels which will be used in this design, such as VCC and Vout. In this design, the VCC is 5V supply which provides the DC power needed for transistor operation. Without it, amplification is impossible. Now to perform the simulation, place the following text.tran 1 microsecond 10 millisecond, so this simulates the circuit from 0 to 10 milliseconds, using a maximum time step of 1 microseconds. Now run the electrical rules checker. You will find the error that input power pin not driven by any output power pins. To overcome this we need to place the power flag across the ground. Rerun the electrical rules checker, you will not find error. So now we can continue with the transient simulation analysis. Click on Simulator button, and click on the Play button, and click on Probe. Now place the probe across the input. You can see the input value waveform, and then place the probe across the output pin Vout. You can see the good voltage gain in the output waveform. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel below.